Hello guys, so today on this video I'm gonna show you some device or accessories to use in your Ronin RS3, similar the video that I showed in the intro guys. Again, I'm gonna show you all the accessories to use to your mobile. So and guys, ayan, this is the RS3, not the combo of course, and we will try to attach our iPhone Pro Max. So without further ado guys, I'm gonna show you all the accessories available here in AEB World, from the cheapest to expensive adapter or mobile holder. So let's start now guys. And first guys, we have the Bendro Arca 360. Yeah, Arca 360 dual. So and guys, this is the first accessories that we have in AB World. Again, it's around 29,950 quality dinar. So this is the device guys. Yan. Actually, any holder that comes with a vertical that you can make vertical. Eto, this is the horizontal and this is the vertical. So any holder, mobile holder that you can make a vertical can be used to attach to the Ronin RS3. Yan. So this is the first accessories, the Bendro Arca Smart 360 Dual. Okay, next is this Bendro. Yan. This Bendro ACMKS. Ang hama daw. Arca Smart Kickstand. Yan. This is around 19,950 quality dinar. Again, the second device that we have is this Arca Swiss Kickstart. Ang ganon. Arca Smart. Yeah, Arca Smart Kickstand. Sorry. So this is the next accessories that we have available here in AEB World. Again, this is the device guys. Again, you can make a landscape and portrait mode. So yeah, it's around 19,950 quality dinar. So and guys, and this is the next accessories that we have guys, is the Bendro Arca Smart sidearm. So and this is the Bendro Arca Smart sidearm. Ayan, so this is the next accessories available in AEB World. Again, it's around 14KD 950. Yeah, ito siya guys. So this is the accessories. It's very simple and yeah, it's easy to use. You have to cold shoe. Yeah, you have side by side cold shoe mount, and it's Arca Swiss. Yeah, kaya Arca. Most of the mount front of Bendro is already Arca Swiss. That's why Arca, the name. So this is the next, it's 14KD 950. And we go to the next accessories guys. Again, we have here the sidekick from Mi Photo. Mi Photo, it's also a Bendro guys. Mi Video, Mi Photo, smartphone adapter, the sidekick pocket. Yeah, sidekick pocket. So this is the next accessories that we have, is already 14KD 950. This is the adapter that we use on the video, on the intro guys. And it's 14KD 950. It's very easy to use and very simple. And similar with the first Arca, it's also a side by side cold shoe mount. And it's easy to use and it's very simple. And it's metal guys. So again, this is the Mi Photo sidekick pocket. Next one is the Ulanzi. Yes, the Ulanzi ST22. So, okay, this is the Ulanzi ST22. And guys, quality dinar, 5KD, 5 quality dinar guys. So, it's more plastic type of holder. It's cheaper but it's plastic. And so, okay naman siya guys. Ayan. It's plastic and you have cold shoe on both sides. And I think this is a Arca Swiss type of parang plate Arca Swiss. So, yan. Again, this is, you can portrait and landscape and portrait. Yan. So, this is the next, and this is second to the cheapest adapter that we have here in AEB World. Again, the Ulanzi ST22. And the last one guys is the Ulanzi phone tripod mount ST-06. And so guys, Ulanzi phone tripod mount ST-06S. This is 5, sorry. ST-06S. So, yan. This is the last adapter that we have here in the world, and it's around 3 dinar 950 o 3KD 950. Yan. 3.950 quality tinara. Yan. Ito siya guys. It's also a plastic. Similar with the first one. Yan. Pero the difference between the previous ST22, yan, you have a push button. So, yan. Medyo ano nga lang to. Delikado lang. Tsaka yan. You need to make para maging ano siya, you need to tight with the screw. Ang tawag sa screw na, I forgot the name of the screw. Again, and it's also include. Ayan, you need to manually tight with the screw. Kalimutan ko pangalan nito. The screw guys. So, ayan. This is the last accessories that we have available to use in the Ronin S. It's around 3KD 950. So let's go try to take some video on these accessories. So guys, okay guys, if you encounter this kind of adapter, it's 3x4 I think. We have an adapter guys for the Bendro. It's 1x4 to 3x4. It's adapter to use and to attach to the standard tripod mount, which is 1x4. Guys, so attach kali. And again guys, so this is the accessories with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And so guys, portrait mode. See, I will make a record. Video ko ba? Nantang i-video ang kanang ko. Portrait mode guys. Nakalay kasi robot.
Wala eh. Ito tayo eh. Kasong bigat eh.
Ay, dabay. Bukas. Ito. Mukha yung tutuyok ba? Sige ba? Nakipay.
Nailo na ako ba? Putang ina. Isti.
Ano to ba?
Wala ng focus.
Harta.
Okay. Hinahinay lang ba? Kaya mawala ang focus.
Sige.
Okay.
Okay.
Taas gamay ba?
Yan ako ba? Ako ito yung And again guys, so that's it for today. Again, these are the accessories that you can use if you want to use your mobile in a portrait mode guys. Again, this is only for mobile. On the next vlog, we will try to use L mount to make as L portrait mode in your camera or DSLR or mirrorless camera. But on this vlog guys, again, Ronin S3, RS3, tama, Ronin RS3 with a mobile holder. So we have, I think 5 or 6 mobile holder accessories for you to make it portrait mode like this one guys. Yan, naka-portrait mode na siya, di ba? So and easy, and we have this from Bendro. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Again, if you have any question or yan, regarding RS3, RS2 or any stabilizer, you can comment down below guys. So again, that's it for today. Again, flex time, I want to flex my team. It's Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 ng si Palaboy FW sa likod ng camera ngayon. Ito, di ba? Gamit ang ating Ronin RC2 and malakasang natin.
Birthday boy.
And happy birthday, Kalamoni.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you for the video. Make it sound?
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet, no?
Not
Oh,
yet.
thank you for your pizza now. So, yeah.
You will buy again.
Yeah, he will buy Kalamoni, guys. Happy birthday to Kalamoni. Again, hanggang dito na lang. Siyempre, ang ating mga tropa sa PBK 2.0 na si Brian Puntana, si Julius. Asa si Julius ba?
Wala na.
Okay.
Yan na ba?
Julius, at saka yung isa.
Wala na rin.
Balik ba yun si Audrey? Hindi na
Hindi
ata
na.
eh.
Hinarang sa immigration.
Yun. So, yun. Ingat na lang mga lods. Maraming salamat at mabuhay. Check nyo nga pala sa sa content ni Palaboy FW, yung Buhay OFW podcast namin. Yan. Mga podcast na wala katotohanan, di ba? Basta check nyo lang. May podcast siya, meron din akong podcast regarding again, sa mga photography. Gawin photography, mga tips, mga bibigay kami doon. So, kung mga question kayo, check nyo lang yun guys. Again, thank you and mabuhay.